Hey guys, welcome back. Mossy5734 guys, unboxing some beauties that had never been on the stand or show and anything like that. Now guys, this was a rare beauty, hard to get hold of now. Even when I got it, they weren't easy to get hold of. Alright, so this is a Mitsubishi Lancia, and this has these funky chrome, is it chrome or gold wheels? I can't remember. It's in a pearl colour, right? Pearl white, I think. Or you can tell it's got a bit of a shine. I need to do a pearl edition of cars because it's got quite a few pearl Mini Zs, but I haven't made a collection of them. But I love the front ends of the Mitsubishis, man. They look mad, especially when that grill's gold. It looks mad. Anyway, forget me. So yep, beautiful guys. That's never been on the display stand. That little bad boy is going to get his airtime. All right, and another beauty, guys. Beautiful, yeah. Really hard to get hold of. These things keep their value, man. Alright, so we've got the BMW, you've got the M3, and in black, this is the GTR version. It looks insane. It looks totally crazy, man. Yeah, and as you can appreciate, guys, it looks madder than wheels, but yeah, it's not something you're going to see every day. Beautiful. Okay, let's check these two little beauties out on the display stand. Oh, I don't want to put them on my nice cars. Alright, check them out. Okay guys, here we've got the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, and this is in a pearl white. You can see that kind of pearly kind of colour there, because it's not a real white, is it guys? It's kind of like an off-white, but yeah. This is one of the early ones, never made it on the display stand, and it's quite a funky shell. I was going to do stuff to it, but I left it kind of plain. I was going to carbon fibre it, but I left it. Okay, so this is a 94mm L chassis. It was originally made for the MA010. It will also fit on the MR03. The front wheels are 1 narrow and the rear are 1 narrow again. So yeah. The original all-wheel drive cars were always narrow-wheeled, guys. I don't know if things are changing now, but that's where they brought them out. Okay, so they've got the twin 7-spoke gold BBS type wheels. You don't come across these very often now, guys. And obviously they've got the rally version of one that they did, which was the Mitsubishi Motors Dealer Team PWRC 2008 version, which I've got as well. And then they did the Endless one in blue, which was quite nice. I was tempted to get it, but I didn't. So yeah, the Mitsubishi Lancer, guys, is basically known as the Evo, and it's the high-performance sedan manufactured by Mitsubishi. There's been 10 official versions to date, guys. And so they kind of use Roman numerals to basically designate each car. And what's shocking is it's 2 litre. Yeah? These cars can still, they over-engineer, they're future-proof. Yo, even the 2 litre, they're smashing cars right now. Yeah, so turbocharged, and it's 4-wheel drive system, and it was only originally made for the Japanese markets, and then basically it kind of filtered out into the other markets around the world. But yeah, so amazing cars, guys. The technology in them cars. What did they have? That York? Was it that? Did they come out with that? I can't remember. Or was that the Subaru? I can't remember, but that was some mad engineering. Anyhow, we're not going to be on here too long, guys. Let's move on to another car. Okay, guys, here we've got another little beauty, guys, that I never really got. It's 5 minutes of glory. This is the BMW M3 GTR in black, looking mean. The wheels are protruding a little bit, guys. They're not actually the ones that come with the car, but yeah. I slapped them on because I like that silver look. So the maker, guys, obviously BMW. The model is the M3 GTR E46. Yeah, the livery is black. This was first produced in 2003. I didn't even know it existed, right? And it's rare now. I think I've seen one come up. Yeah, it's pretty hard to get hold of, pretty rare, and that's in nice condition, that one as well. So the chassis type is the MR02, MR03W. The front, now this is the thing, this could be used for drifting because it's got no offset on the front and it's got no zero, it's 0 wide on the rear. So obviously I've got some serious offset wheels on there, given that European look. The wheels that come with it are the silver dual 10-spoke design wheels. Okay, I've got my funky Atlas wheels under there. But yeah, pretty cool. So what they say, guys, is this is supposed to be the Yakuza car. What basically happens, I didn't know this, right, but in Japan, foreign cars, and mainly German cars, are used by the mafia as a sign of special status. And the black colour is the officious, by default, livery for these corporate cars. I did not know that. Is that like an unknown fact? So the BMW M3 is a high-performance version of the BM3 series, developed by BMW's in-house motorsport division. Alright, so the M3 models, guys, are derived from the E30, E36, E46, and so on to the E90 all the way to E93. Alright, it was sold as a coupe, a saloon, and convertible as well. So basically over the years, M3 and M5 are like the benchmark vehicles. I don't want to go into this too much, guys. So the E46 M3 got introduced in October 2000, and it appeared as a 3.2 litre S54M tuned engine. They're pretty cool for drifting as well, you know, guys, some of these cars. It had 343 horsepower, and it was only available in the coupe, convertible bodies, and the saloon version were dropped. So it had 333 brake horsepower. So this car is basically widely known, guys, because it's portrayed as a main character's car in the Need for Speed Most Wanted and Need for Speed Carbon. It also appeared in the Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012 as well, guys. So that's where it got its claim to fame. Okay. It looks stealthy, it looks mean, man. Something about that, especially them tinted out windows. Okay, let's move on.